Today we will be describing fourths. As you can see on this graph, the two endpoints of this line segment is -3, 5 and 3, 1. The midpoint of these two endpoints is 0, 3. In order to put the graphs into fourths, we had to find this midpoint and then find the midpoint of -3, 5 and 0, 3 now. Once we do the math, as you can see, we get -1.5 and 4. The midpoint of this is -1.5 and 4. After we find the midpoint of this side, we find the midpoint of this side. We add 3 and 0 and divide it by 2, which gets us 1.5, and then we add 1 and 3 and divide it by 2, which gets us 2, which leaves us with the midpoint 1.5 and 2. How I did this was by finding the midpoint here, and then finding the midpoint of -3.3 and 5, which is here, and 3 and 1, which is here. That's how you describe fourths on a line segment.